and gentlemen, welcome back to Souter Motors. Jay with you. Today, I have a fantastic little fifth wheel for you. This is a 2018 Keystone Cougar 28 SGS. And what we have here is a rare 31-foot fifth wheel that you can pull with a half-ton pickup truck. This thing fully loaded is only 10,000 pounds. We've got landing gear, we've got rear living, great layout, we've got a fireplace, power awning. So we are going to open it up, then we're going to show you the outside, then we're going to show you the inside. So let's get to it. Alright, we have the Cougar opened up. As you can see here, 28 SGS, and we've got a Polar package. So, 4-season camping is an option in this guy. We have got nice fiberglass sides, no D-lam on this one. It's in great condition exteriorly. We have got a power awning with the LED light strip. We've got outdoor entertainment with the speakers. We have great pass-through storage, which is also accessible from the front. There's your cable hookup for outdoor entertainment. Pardon the road noise. You got your tanks in here. Around the front, you can see we've got the fiberglass front with the mirror for hitch up. Nice convenient hitching possibilities. You've got the front cabinet, which accesses your pass-through, and it also gives you a lot of extra storage. We are pre-wired for solar, so if you get portable solar panels, you can throw them in there. Got your docking lights here. Other side of the pass-through, we've got our auto leveling. So one touch levels up and off you go. Bedroom slide, living room slide. We'll get to that when we open it up. Got plenty of tread on our tires. Got nice wheels on there as well. In the back, you got a nice big window, which you'll see inside gives you a lot of nice natural light. You've got roof access. You've got the spare tire with the cover, electrical hookup, and on this side, the opposite side of the opposing slides. That is our exterior. We are going to take you inside. We're going to show you the layout. Great practical layout. Let's go in.
Hello folks, welcome to the 2018 Keystone Cougar.
Alright, this is our interior. Our layout is a rear living layout. Wanted to point this out, didn't do it outside. Got a remote, and this particular remote will control your levelers, it'll control your slides, and your awning. Very convenient to have, as you may have seen me doing in the time lapse. Alright, so that is the remote. It goes right up here next to our control panel. And while we're here, this is the control panel. So you've got your slide outs, you've got your awning, you've got your lights, and then you've got your tanks up here. Thermostat right below it with our heat and our air. In the back of the trailer, we have got, they are in traveling position. Obviously they need to be like this for the slides to come in. Opposing slides really opens up the back, gives you a good feel. Got nice natural light coming in. Big windows on the passenger side of the back. We've got a couch here, and then it'll pull out to be a bed. We've got a nice dinette set. We've got our TV and entertainment center over here with our hearing system. We've got a fireplace, nice and cozy in the winter. Obviously our TV will be right there with the DVD player, radio, all of that underneath. Kitchen. Got some overhead cabinet space. Got our stainless steel refrigerator and freezer combination. We've got our oven and stove with the hood. This is a electric or propane heater, freezer fridge. So you can have that running whether you have electricity or not. We've got our sink over here. A nice double stainless steel sink. Got our microwave here, which does give you a little bit of extra cabinet space over here. This is our microwave cabinets below. That is the living space in the back. Let's go this way. Up the hallway to the left, we have a nice big bathroom. Big stand-up shower with the skylight. We've got some storage in the behind the shower, which is fantastic. Keep the linens there. We've got plenty of space on the toilet here, leg room. Got the sink. We've got the medicine cabinet above that, and we have a power vent above. So, great size bathroom. Again, this is just a 31-foot trailer. It is only 10,000 pounds fully loaded. When you come up into the bedroom, we've got a nice queen bed, upgraded mattress. We've got a sliding door. Got a vent up here. Also, the ducted air conditioning does come in here. Check out these lights. Little metal rim around the outside. Just touch them. Ha! Ha! Neat. TV, hookup, cabinets. Another nice feature. We've got a bedroom slide, which means we've got deep cabinets here. Actual wardrobe space. Very nice. And up front here, we've got more storage obviously on each side, but you've got a nice charging station up there with USB ports and electric hookup there. So, not a whole lot more to show you. Like I said, nice small trailer. But if you guys have any questions about this, again, 2018 Keystone Cougar Light. It is a 28 SGS. And if you have any questions, call Sauter Motors. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a great day.